You see, the important thing is the court has a discretion to reduce the hearing, the period of hearing as presented in the Electoral Act. And that's what I've done, because if we are to be given our 7 weeks, it means that our petition will even expire. And that will not be in our own interest. So what we have to do is to do case management, call witnesses that are very material, that will enable us establish that what Inec did is very, very unfortunate. And we believe that within the period allocated to us, we should be able to establish that. Notwithstanding that up to this moment, they are yet to give us all the documents we require. I continue to ask, why is INEC behaving in this way and manner? What are they hiding? What are they hiding? They are supposed to be neutral. But they are behaving as if INEC is a candidate in its own election. This should never be so. And that is, Nigeria is the only country where you find something like this. There's no other country. I challenge you to go and investigate and find out about electoral bodies in other African countries, except, of course, countries under military rule. That's where you may have a different situation. But in Kenya, in Malawi, South Africa, and quite a number of others, they remain neutral. But in Nigeria, you see them frustrating petitioners, preventing petitioners from having access to documents, which is so difficult to comprehend why this should be so. But they have no choice, because once we start trial, which is on May 13th, 30th May, we will serve them subpoena. And it comes with an order of court. And they will never decline bringing the documents. Otherwise, they will end themselves punishment, because that's an order of court. Okay.
Two questions to one side. INEC has said that the documents were ready, the Labour Party used to pay the required fee to obtain these documents. How do you react to that? And that question is, the tribunal has adjourned till 10th, that is after the deliberation. Supporters of the Labour Party actually hold that the deliberation that halted. So what do you say to them not to dampen their hope? 10th?
You see, INEC is playing pranks and confusing the people. We at no time did we say we cannot pay. We have letters. I forgot to bring it to you, gentlemen of the press, today. 5 letters we wrote them, indicating that we are ready to pay, to collect the documents. When I'm coming here some other time, I will bring the letters duly received and endorsed by INEC. Why are they telling lies to say that we couldn't pay? This is very, very, very unfortunate. What of the documents that we have collected? Didn't we pay for them? Of course we paid for them, and they gave us those ones, but refused to give us others. I give you River State, for example. Now, River State, I understand, has 23 local governments. Election took place on 25th of February. Now, except a few days ago, when they gave us 15 results. 15. They are yet to complete the results. Close to 3 months since after the election. You can find out. Why are they holding on to those results? Is it not for manipulation? Of course it's for manipulation. When they are done with manipulation, they will not release them. If they have nothing to hide, why not release all the results? Why not release them? Even 1 month after the election. Why is it so difficult for INEC to release the results rather than playing one prank or the other? You know, until we get into trial, we are going to expose them. We will certainly expose them. And I assure you this trial will be, the advocacy will be very robust. We will expose them. We will expose them. There's no hiding place. I assure you.
Don't talk about that.
You see, we do not want to jump into a situation where we'll be chasing shadow and our petition will expire. We don't want to do that. The important thing is, at the end of the day, if the court rules in favor of our petition, that somebody is right there on seat does not mean anything. You'll be taken away from the seat. It has happened in Malawi. It has happened in Kenya. These are smaller countries than Nigeria. So I don't see why it cannot happen in our country. Because we will always get our feet wrong. That's the problem. I can't hear you.
Come closer.
Come closer. You see, we don't normally go back to what has been done. We are looking forward to how to prove our petition, and we believe we are going to prove it. Because if at the end of the day, I said before, the court rules that somebody who is there under the law should not be there, of course, the court will remove him. What is important is the issue of courage. And that's it. Thank you. No. You see, for the purposes of consolidation, the only thing important is that all three petitions, they are going to be heard together. But each one will maintain its identity. Yes. I hope you understand it. We maintain its own identity at the end of the day. And judgment will be given in respect of each and every one of them. But it's just a matter of convenience to save time. That's why they were consolidated. And we have no problem with that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now when I don't watch the video, shebu na dey see and say justice no go fit dey for Nigeria. Justice, as in the law system for Nigeria, the judiciary system for Nigeria has been eaten up by corruption. It has been condemned by corruption. So even at this stage, when we say everybody for Nigeria know who they vote for, everybody knows in a Peterobi win. Even the court when we say okay, suppose play free and fair, like they suppose support the person when they know saying win due to proof and evidence. The court said they will turn against Peterobi. Now wetin me they see, that is why you see say they don't first talk and say they don't want any live streaming as the case they go on, as the judge them. They don't want live streaming. Made a video and say all Nigeria go they see am for house. They don't want them because the judge has already been paid. That is just the truth. Tinubu and APC government, they don't pay, all of them don't pay the judge, they don't pay those lawyers, they don't pay them already. They don't use bribe, they cover their face. Person when pay Inec chairman, now you no go come fit pay judge, you no come fit pay judge to get result, to get favor, to get judge to support am. What did these people want from Nigeria? What did they want for Nigerians? Because they don't mean well for the system, they don't mean well for the masses, they don't mean good things to the masses. And again, what the Igbo people even do these people? Presidential seat not be for one side. Now for who qualify now go enter. Moreover, na democracy now with the practice. It could be like say no be a democracy with the practice again for Nigeria. Say na military government now we still dey. Even court no even fit announce truth. They no fit even talk truth. Say see. They no fit even talk because of say Tinubu don bribe them. APC government don't arrange say na Tinubu they go put for presidential seat. Now they go inaugurate on May 29. They don't even they accept them for court say yes on the 29th of May. This Baba when they sick, when they say no fit even carry mic talk, he go they go put am for there as the president of Nigeria when they know say nobody vote for am. People wey vote for am na minority na vote for am. E no win vote, na him carry last. They go put am for there. How will they reach this stage? How will they reach this stage as a nation? How will they reach this stage as a nation? The thing just dey pay me for mind. Me fair know say na so the matter go be. I fair know because for them to talk say me they no do live stream for inside court can't even grant am. For court to even grant am, that means court don't even accept say na Tinubu na him go sit down for them. Make this whole thing not only to riot, not only to Nigerian youth enter streets, come dey break things, dey scatter things. This whole thing can lead to another thing when we say Nigerians not prepared for, or this government sef they not even prepare for, because they take the youth for granted. They take the quiet and they take Nigerian youth quietness for granted. They take am like say we no know wetin we dey do. No be by force to become president. It's not by force. Moreover, presidential seat no be traditional seat when be say if your papa na oba, he go die give you say make you sit down for seat. No, presidential seat na the citizens na go determine go stay there. So why Nigeria own go come dey different? If this man really get good in ten tion for Nigeria, he no know say they no vote for am. Tinubu know say they no vote for am, but wetin he wan make am insist? He don insist say he go become the president of Nigeria because he no get the masses for heart. He no get Nigeria citizens for heart. He no get good in ten tion as he say he wan become president. This man no get good in ten tion. He wan go that seat, he wan go sit down for there, make e destroy the economy more than the way the economy don first destroy before. He wan scatter the country more than the way the country fair even scatter before. That time people go come dey talk say Buhari even better pass this one, or Buhari tenure even better pass this one. I don't know how we dey reach my people. I say ma deliver the news to una. Make una leave una comment on the comment section. My body just dey pepper me. Make una leave una comment on the comment section. Make una leave wetin una think. I don't know wetin una think, but for me, corruption don destroy Nigeria in every sector. Na the police sector you wan talk, na the army sector you wan talk, na the lawyers you wan talk, na the judiciary sector, na this every sector don destroy. These people don use bribe, corruption, dey destroy everything. How will they reach here? We no know. I no even know wetin we dey obedient. Well, make we just dey pray. Because the matter now clear say the matter now court no even try their best. They no even wan listen. They no wan even care. E clear say court they don pay court. Tinubu don give court money. He don give the judge when the judges when they in charge of this case. E clear say na Tinubu side na dey dey. So we don know now say this one, the way we don the sign when we don dey see, so e clear say Peterobi no go win this case for court. E clear say no go win am for court for this Nigeria court wey we dey see. So when we say they don even dey talk say on the May 29 they go put Tinubu for power, and on the 30th na be the next, on the 30th of May na be the next court hearing. That mean Tinubu go don become president already. Then they'll come court, Peterobi will come court, they'll come continue the matter. Which kind of case can be that one? Where we say the man already be president, he don already sit down for power. He never even sit down for power. You know they come court, you know they go any media house. No matter the place when they call am, you know they respond. Now when you don't become president, now person they'll come they judge this case. Who want judge the case that time? How the case you come dey get victory that time when be say this kind man when be say we all know say he heart na stone. How you go come dey get victory? How Peterobi go come dey get victory that time? It's better, e go better say Peterobi no go enter, Tinubu no go enter, make dem dey judge the case, make another person enter the seat. If na Osinbajo, make he enter the seat, make him first dey there first. Then after they don settle the case, who can truly win the election? If na Peterobi win, they put am. If na this Tinubu one we dey see so na him win, they put am. But for them to tell us say on the 29th of May they go put Tinubu, maybe they want to make the youth burn down the whole country, or maybe make we dey see how the matter go play. But my people, I say ma bring the news come for una because Nigeria you don suffer reach. Nigeria you don suffer reach. Before if they do election, if they give any youth 2-5, e go vote for them. Before Nigeria youth come decide say no, enough is enough, it means say e don tire them. They don't know say yes, these people they don't mean well for us. We need somebody now wey mean well for us. For these people, for these leaders to think say the youth no get sense, they don't know wetin they dey talk, they don't know wetin they dey do. If they like me they vote, if they like me, they not vote. The youth vote not count, our vote not count. That one na slap to all Nigeria face, to all Nigerians wey need a better government, or to all Nigerians wey need Nigeria to become better, na slap to their face. So as they dey play the matter, as they dey play the matter, they wan put Tinubu for them. Anyhow they come see the youth come react, they go take am like that. Me, I know say na violence na APC government dey like. So anyhow they want am, anyhow e go be, we just dey pray make this thing not come lead to something wey Nigerians, as in we Nigerians, not prepare for, and even them will be the government not prepare for. We just pray make this thing not come lead to war, or may not come lead to something else. Please like, share, and leave your comment on the comment section. What do you think about this whole case? Do you feel that this case is moving towards the right direction of victory, or you feel that the judges that are handling this case has already been paid and they are beating their way to Tinubu's direction? They are beating their steps to Tinubu direction. I'm not seeing a free and fair judgment in this whole case. I'm not seeing it at all from the judges. I'm not seeing it. What I'm seeing is they have already been paid. Tinubu has already paid them. The APC government has already instructed them what to do and how they are going to handle this issue. So leave your comment on the comment section, like and share this video. Share it, guys, share it. To my new subscriber, thank you, and to my returning subscriber, God bless you. I love you guys. Bye.